and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create chatbots using OpenAI's GPTs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So one of the most simplest method to create chatbot using OpenAI's GPTs is the no-code custom GPT for ChatGPT Plus and enterprise user. So this method is the easiest way to create a specialized chatbot. So you need to first of all get logged into your ChatGPT account. So once you are in your ChatGPT account, you can simply go and navigate to the builder section. So you need to select like create a GPT. Once you have done this, you need to simply define your purpose and instruction. You need to give it to them, like you need to simply go and create your new GPT. So once you have done this, you need to now configure the behavior. Use the configure tab to fine-tune the bot's tone, their personality, and their specific constraints. Now you can add knowledge to it, any more capabilities, and test it and publish it. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.